Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing 6 nutritious whole grains that are an excellent source of protein. It's often surprising for people to discover that grains can be a significant source of protein. While primarily known for their carbohydrate content, many whole grains also contain substantial amounts of plant-based protein. This nutrient is essential for muscle health, bone health, digestion, and more. Moreover, protein helps to keep you feeling full longer, regulates blood sugar levels, and maintains consistent energy levels. According to top nutrition coaches, whole grains are an excellent source of fiber, crucial for digestion and gut health, and prebiotics, which support the healthy bacteria in our digestive system. Only 5% of Americans meet their daily fiber requirements, so incorporating whole grains into your diet can provide a boost and help you reach the recommended 25 to 35 grams per day. Whole grains are also abundant in protein, as well as a variety of essential vitamins and minerals such as B vitamins, folate, iron, and zinc. These nutrients play distinctive roles in metabolism, energy levels, and nervous system function. Furthermore, research indicates that increasing whole grain intake is associated with a reduced risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and even cancer. Here are 6 nutritious whole grains that are an excellent source of protein. Quinoa. Although technically a seed, quinoa is recognized as a whole grain by the Whole Grains Council. It provides 8 grams of protein per cup when cooked. Quinoa is packed with folate, magnesium, zinc, and iron, which are vital for cellular function and energy. It can easily replace rice in dishes, adding extra nutrition. With its gluten-free nature and nutty flavor, quinoa serves as an excellent base for grain salads, and it makes a great substitute for pasta or rice in casseroles. For a protein boost, try adding it to vegetable soups. Wild rice. Contrary to its name, wild rice is a wild-grown grass rather than rice. It offers 6.5 grams of protein per cup when cooked and boasts a delightful nutty flavor. Cooking wild rice takes a bit longer than white or brown rice, typically requiring 50 to 60 minutes. It is often found blended with other rices or grains. Wild rice can be the foundation of a simple pilaf and is an excellent addition to soups and stuffings. Amaranth. Amaranth is a tiny grain with a high protein content. When cooked, it has a soft texture resembling polenta or porridge. It can also be popped like popcorn and added to cereals and granola. Amaranth contains 9 grams of protein in 1 cup when cooked and provides the amino acid lysine, which is absent in most grains. Instead of using amaranth as a base for salads or grain bowls, consider incorporating it into oatmeal or pudding. Sorghum. Sorghum is an unappreciated grain that offers incredible nutritional value. It is an inexpensive grain with a remarkable 20 grams of protein in 1 cup when cooked. Additionally, sorghum contains magnesium, iron, B vitamins, potassium, and fiber. Gluten-free and possessing a chewy texture, sorghum is a staple in certain regions like India and Africa, yet it remains underutilized in the United States. Boil sorghum for 50 to 60 minutes and use it as a base for grain bowls or as a substitute for pearled couscous. It can also be popped for a crunchy texture. Teff. Teff holds the distinction of being the smallest grain in the world while boasting an impressive nutritional profile. It provides 10 grams of protein per 1 cup when cooked and is rich in calcium, vitamin B6, zinc, iron, magnesium, and fiber. When cooked, teff has a soft consistency similar to cream of wheat. It cooks quickly, taking only 15 to 20 minutes, and can be used for polenta, casseroles, or veggie burgers. Teff flour is also suitable for baked goods such as brownies, cookies, and bread. Farro. Farro is an ancient grain widely used in various cuisines worldwide, particularly in the Mediterranean region. 1 cup of cooked farro offers 12 grams of protein and is a good source of iron and fiber. With its chewy texture, slightly larger than barley, farro cooks in approximately 30 minutes and serves as a hearty grain for salads. It can also be used as a substitute for rice in risotto. To summarize, whole grains provide a valuable source of plant-based protein, along with other essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They can be the star ingredient in grain bowls, salads, and a range of dishes, as well as delightful addition to breakfast cereals, granola, polenta, and desserts. By ensuring your pantry is stocked with these 6 whole grains, you can enhance your weekly meal plan with more protein for muscle building and overall nutrition. Thank you for watching Healthy Food Crush Food Facts. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more healthy food facts.